What's going on, guys? So typically after buying a new to me truck, we would start the series off by maybe doing some maintenance, maybe doing a deep dive clean on it, or start to fix some of the issues that the truck has. Well, I figured we'd change it up with this one, and we're going to throw the 22x12s and 2-inch drop shackles on it. So obviously with Chomper, we've already got the leveled look going on. I don't have a lift kit to put on this one today, so we're going to lower it and give it that kind of low wide stance. I know 2-inch drop shackles, not the most extreme thing. We could pull the blocks, give it a total of 4-inch drop, completely take the bolts out the front, drop it all the way down. We might do that in a following video, but this is going to be a nice moderate drop with the wide wheels. I think it's going to look cool, and it's going to be a nice comparison between this and Chomper. So let's go ahead and pull this thing down to the basement, throw the 22s on it. Hopefully putting these on the truck will motivate me to finish doing what we were doing with them, because I don't think I've touched them honestly since that video, because getting the first one like it is was a real pain in the butt, and yeah, it's not the most fun thing, so I've just been putting it off. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw them on here and see how she looks. Seems like these got the local automotive 18 Ugga Dugga treatment, so they are fun to get off. My sister just showed up. She's puppy sitting for someone, so everyone loves puppies. So I gotta show you all this thing. It's too freaking cute. Also, shout out to all the Tundra people still watching the channel. Gotta see the puppy. Oh my gosh. Look at that puppy. Look at that puppy, so cute. Oh my God. Say what's up, Eli. You're on YouTube. Officially.
What's up?
Oh my God. Well, enjoy the puppy. It is crazy how different this truck already looks by just throwing these wheels on. I think it's gonna make a lot of y'all really like it. So before I throw the drop shackles on it, I am gonna pull it back out for those that might want to have this stance but not the reverse leveled look. Maybe you want to have the factory rake. I'll show you all that real quick, and then we'll bring it back inside and put the drop shackles in it. So let's get it out, do a little B-roll, see what's up. Dude, I don't know about y'all, but that looks freaking sick to me. I am very pleased with the way that that came out. I know y'all wanted to see these wheels and tires on Chomper, which we might end up putting them on there as well, but dude, that looks freaking sick. It's got that real menacing, I'm about to jump on you stance. We'll say it's a medium low, medium wide look. This is just stock suspension right now and just 12 wides, but dude, that is nasty. So we're obviously gonna rock it like this. Well, we're about to go put the drop shackles in, and then we're gonna rock it like that for a little while. But this really makes me wanna slam it on the wides and just rock that look, because it's a more unpopular look, which I think looks really good. And obviously, the more unpopular, kind of the better. A little more unique. But like I said, we're just gonna have fun with this truck and do it different. I'm gonna pull it back to the basement, and I'll show y'all how to put drop shackles in the back of these. I'm assuming it's the same. I think all from 99 to current, the rear leaf spring mount for the drop shackles is the same, because these are the same drop shackles that I had on my 21 Silverado. I think they'll fit on here. Let's hope. So those that are not familiar with what drop shackles are, this is gonna be the adjustable 1 to 2 inch drop shackles that we're gonna be installing. And they are gonna be replacing our factory ones right there. So essentially we're gonna be installing longer ones. It's gonna bring the leaf spring up and dropping the body down. Now, unfortunately, just like on my, I think it was the 18 Silverado I had, we are gonna have to remove the hitch for the first time because we have to remove this lower bolt. It's gonna have to be slidden. It's gonna have to slide out so that we can jack the leaf spring up over the frame to get that one out. Now, what you can do is you can install it the opposite direction when we put it back together and cut this extra end off so that it'll fit right here if it's a little too long. And then you won't have to take your hitch back off if you want to put the stock ones back in or adjust it or whatever the case. So yeah, we're essentially gonna have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts out. I went ahead and unhooked that. It was attached up there as well, just, you know, unclip it. So let's go ahead and drop our hitch down. 13, 16. Now go ahead and get your nuts and bolts and put them back in the location that they were at. Of course, the bolts are on the frame. Can't really do that, but you can just sit them in there so that you don't lose them. Grab a quick before measurement, so no hitch on there. From the tire to the bottom, right above 6, in between 6 1/4, 6-inch flat. So yeah, that's definitely not gonna fit where that was. All right, we finally got our new drop shackles in. We just gotta put the grease fitting in it, throw some grease in it, and we'll be ready to install on the truck. Also, shameless plug, shout out to everyone that has bought a shirt so far. The support has been great. But if you wanna buy one, they are $30. My Cash App will be right here. All I need you to do is send what size you want. We got large or extra large, and your shipping address, and I'll get it shipped out to you. Once again, man, support's been great. Shout out to everyone that has bought one. It's been really awesome. Just a little love tap. And that might require a little love tap just to free it up. Okay, well, it's about perfect right there. Don't pull the bolt out and hit yourself in the face. That will not feel good. All right, stock shackle is out. New shackle going in using the top bolt because we are going for the full 2-inch. There we go. Now we just got to get this guy to line up and squeeze in there. We'll throw a little lubricant on there and try to tap it into place. There we go. Let's go ahead and drop her down. Hopefully not take our exhaust off. We're on the exhaust. The exhaust is on the jack. All right. We're hitting wood. I was like, what is that noise? It's the exhaust hitting. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm talking about, baby. So I honestly don't really remember the measurement before because it's been several days since then, but now we are sitting at right at, I would say, 4 3/4. So it definitely looks lower. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the hitch on and then we'll get this thing outside and check it out. All right, guys, well, there she is. Y'all definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think about the reverse leveled look on the red Sierra. I think it's super aggressive, and it's something unique and different than what we're used to. So I already know with saying that, it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea. Some people are going to wish we had gone a different route, which we can always go in the future. Listen, this truck is just about having fun and doing whatever we want with it. So I'm not opposed to lifting it in the future, leveling it like Chomper, or, you know, shoot, I don't know, not squat it for a social experiment, because I know there's a decent amount of y'all that, you know, have squatted trucks or link trucks or whatever. And for the heck of it, we'll throw like a 6-inch RCX or something on the front and experience the squatted life. You know, I don't know. I'm not opposed to it, but at the same time, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. But same thing with lowered trucks. So this is not technically really that lowered. I mean, it's just reverse leveled at this point. But I think it looks sick on these wheels and tires, and I think it'll look awesome even lower. So, you know, we're gonna experience the low life. If we got a leveled truck on Chomper, we're going low with this one. That might give you a hint what route I might be going with the new Sierra. So y'all just be patient, play it, let it play out, trust the process. But yeah, definitely we'll have to do some trimming if I'm gonna, you know, daily drive this thing while we work on Chomper with these wheels and tires on it. But, you know, the bumper's not phenomenal on this thing anyway, so I'm not opposed to that. Some of y'all mentioned naming it Clifford, which I thought was a little too generic, but I mentioned it to Knox, and of course he absolutely loves that. He's been calling it Clifford because obviously the new Clifford movie came out and he's watched it 3 billion times and he loves it. So probably gonna name it Clifford. I don't know, do I get a custom tag named Clifford? Do I not? I don't know. Probably next video, which I'm gonna be filming tomorrow or the next day. We gotta go get this thing registered because I haven't done that either. So yeah, we definitely need to change the oil. We need to do some maintenance things. Definitely try to get the sunroof figured out and get the driver's seat working, because that's a very awkward drive with it currently. But yeah, dude, I think it looks sick. Oh man, I need to freaking take care of these wheels too, and I actually prefer the metal look on the outside rather than the all black on this side of the truck. I think it looks super good with the outside lip like this. I think that pops really good on it. I should have took the steps off. I totally forgot about that until just now. So yeah, but it is cool having a truck low like this. Everything is different. The whole perspective, you know, the bed, things you don't normally see. Like I can see the roof, top, the bed rail is real low. It's totally different experience with it sitting like this, which is sick. If this is not your super favorite taste, just be patient. You know, we're gonna experience all kind of things with this truck, but I want to go with the low life for a little while, and I've really been debating going as low as we can four-wheel drive, or maybe just pulling the blocks, dumping the front, lowering keys, rocking some like 24-inch split sevens, dude, some streets. I don't know, dude. I think that'd be sick as dump, but I know it's super aggressive on the wides, but obviously turning is the issue on that, especially if we go lower, it'd probably be even worse. But yeah, I'm not opposed to putting some 24, maybe 22s, but probably 24-inch split sevens, snowflake, probably split sevens, because I miss those on here. Being low, I think that would be sick. Be a super clean daily driver. I don't know, dude. Part of me also wants to, like I said, lift it. I don't want to put an expensive kit on this truck. Like I'd probably do an RCX. I'm not gonna do a show off or McGoys or anything like that on this truck. Just not doing that. I might do that on Chopper in the future, but not this one. Also did manage to get my very first shirt absolutely filthy, which I am stoked about. If you bought one of these, freaking wear it working on your truck, dude. Take a selfie or something with your truck in the background, wearing the shirt, get it all dirty or clean or whatever you want to do with it. It doesn't really matter, but I think it's cool getting them dirty. You know, it's what this whole thing is about. It's our little community working on trucks and whatnot. But yeah, dude, DM me. I'll share you on my Instagram if you want to. I think it'd be awesome, you know, just like this, There we go. All right. I want to quit rambling. But for real, if you bought one of these, dude, get your truck and you in the picture, send me on Instagram. I'll shout you out, do whatever you want. Or at least just send it to me. If you don't want it shared, then that's fine. Just tell me. But I'd like to see it. I think that'd be really, really cool. So anyways, I'm going to quit rambling. Y'all take care. See you on the next one.